D. Big D, little d. Lots of words begin with the letter D. Drum, door, donut, dragon, daisy, duck. What else begins with the letter D? D is for... That's right, dog! What is a dog? Dogs are friendly and loyal animals that love to play with their toys, go for walks, and be with their humans. Let's look at some different dogs for ideas. Dogs are many sizes and colors like black and brown and white. Dogs are great friends and wag their tails when they are happy. What do you see? I see dogs in many different styles. There's no right or wrong way to draw a dog. Let's draw a dog. You need paper, black marker, and a tool to make color.
Today, for our dog's face, we are going to start with the nose. We're going to do a curved line with a V, and that's going to make our pup's nose right in the middle of his face. We're going to do a straight line down. At the end of the straight line, we're going to do 2 curves out to create our dog's snout. And I'm going to go ahead and add a few little dots there just to remind me what part of the nose that is. Underneath the 2 curved lines, we're going to do a U with a little line in the middle, and we have the dog panting. It must be hot outside. Underneath. All right, now we're going to go above the nose on each side and do 1 medium circle on both sides with a small circle inside. I'm going to go ahead and color mine in for our dog's eyes. So now we have our dog's face. We're going to build the head around it so we get the right size. Do a curved line over. And now we're going to create the ears. Our dog is going to have floppy, long ears. We're going to make those by making a teardrop shape. Put your marker at the end of your headline. Draw a teardrop shape on both sides. If you want to make them shorter or longer, that's entirely up to you. We're going to finish the face by drawing a curved line around the bottom of... Now our doggy has his face and his ears, and we're going to build the body underneath. We're going to build the body by going underneath the head and doing 1, 2, 3, 4 ovals on their side, and those are going to be his front feet and back feet. Let's make the front feet and the legs by doing a thin rainbow line or upside down U with 2 straight lines on the side. Now he has his front feet and front legs, and now we're going to do the back legs. We're going to put our marker in between the ear and the head and do a jump line down on both sides. Jump all the way down, and now we're going to do a jump line from the end of this line to the paw. Jump. Jump. Alright, so now our doggy has a face. He has all 4 legs. Go ahead and give mine a tail. I'm going to keep it nice and simple. Just do a curved line up, put my marker at the point, and pull it back down. Awesome. So now's a good time to add some details. A quick and easy detail are to do 1, 2 lines in each of your paws. It shows little toes. Another thing you could do is start thinking about the colors of your dog's fur. Remember, we saw all different colors, so I'm going to add in I'm going to do some spots. I think that would be fun. You could do spots or stripes. You could keep one solid color. You could do something fun with some crazy patterns, whatever looks good to you. You know what? I'm going to make some wiggly line spots too. Now remember, dog starts with D, so I'm going to do a big D and a little little D just to help me remember.
You made a dog! Great job. Dog is for D. Thank you for joining us. I love your dog. Please consider liking and subscribing to Bold Soul Whimsy.